Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Glisten from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a swirl over to the left, up, and around inside. Now on the right side, let's draw a curve down and back up. And let's hop on top and let's draw another circular curve all the way around in the same way. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and let's draw the eye. Let's start with a large oval on the left side. And then let's thicken it up with another oval around. And then let's add a curve on top for the eyebrow. Now let's hop inside the eye and let's draw a circle in the center. And another smaller one in this one. And color the ring in black. Now along the bottom left edge of the eye, let's draw 3 circles. And color these in black. And then let's draw 2 drip marks going down underneath. Then let's hop over and let's draw 2 circles on the bottom right here. And also color these in black. And then on the bottom right, let's draw one more bump up. And that's it for the eye. Now let's draw the large crack on the face. Let's start at the top and let's draw a zigzag line down. A longer angle down to the left. Bring it back up and down to the bottom corner. Then on the right side, let's draw another zigzag line down, like this. And color the crack in black. Now on the bottom left corner, let's draw a V-shaped point in. And color this in black as well. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 angles down. And then a zigzag line across. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a point up in the center. Another point out on each side, and a small angle up. And close it off with a curve across the bottom. Now on top, let's draw another point up on each side, like this. Now to fill in the gap between the 2 body parts, let's draw 2 lines down and color the section in black. And then let's draw 2 lines down on the left and on the right. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on each side and let's draw a bump up for the thumbs. And then a larger bump next to it. And close off the bottom with a curve across. And now let's color each of the hands in black. Now underneath the hands, let's draw a curve around, like this. Now for the arms, let's draw an angle down from the head, connecting it to the thumb. And then another angle underneath and up. And lastly, for the arms here, let's draw some ribbons hanging down by drawing 2 long curves underneath each hand. And a V-shaped point up at the bottom. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines underneath on the left and on the right. And a curve across. Now from the inside, let's bring it down and curve it out at the bottom. Then for the feet, let's draw a bump out. And a curve across. And then close off each of the legs by drawing another wavy line down from the knees here. And that's it for Twisted Glisten. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!